Today we will cover the topic of joins. How joins work in the PySpark. Joins are used to combining two or more tables together using some common column. To utilize the join functionality in PySpark, let's see what's the syntax of the code and how it works and what are different types of joins available. These are some join types: inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, left semi join, left empty join. We will study one by one each type of the join. First, let's run this code. To understand this code in detail, you can watch my previous lecture video. Here we have defined the dummy data. Dummy data considers the customer data. In the customer data, we have the ID, customer ID, name, and the city. We have created one data frame here. Then we have created second data frame. It has the customer ID, order ID, customer ID, and the amount. So you can clearly specify that customer and the order data will combine within the customer ID column. This is the common column within these two data frames. Now what is the syntax of using the join? Here, left data frame dot join, then right data frame, then the common column in which we are going to join the data, then which type of join we are going to apply. So inner join df. What is the inner join? For example, in the inner join, this is the one data frame A. This is the data frame B. Now the common between them will be the output in the inner join. So what is the syntax? Inner join dot df equal to, this is the name which we are giving to our new data frame. Customer df will be left table. This will be left. Then dot join, this will be right. On which column we are using, combining these two data on customer ID. Which type of join we are applying? Inner join. So see, the common records will be there. So let's compare both the data set. In this data set, we have this customer ID 1, 2, 4 and 6 in the orders. And here we have 1, 2, 4 and 5. So 1, 2 and 4 will be common. What are 1, 2 and 4? Amit, Priya and Sneha. So see, we have got the Amit, Priya and Sneha as the common records. Understood? For notes, you can download the notes from the GitHub profile. And you can ask me the questions in the comment box. Then this left join. What is the left join? Syntax is almost same, just we have include the left here. In the left join, what we will do, the left table completely will be displayed or completely will be selected, irrespective they have common or not. Okay, and the corresponding columns of the right table will be the output, but all the records of the left table will be given as the output. Common were 1, 2 and 4. Amit, Priya and Sneha were the common, but now we are getting Rahul and Karan also. In the right join, just opposite, the right table, complete right table will be given as the output. 1, 2, 4 and 6. Now full outer join, it will give all the common, means it will be complete output. Whether they are common or not, whether they are matching or not, it doesn't matter. Full output outer join will return all the rows. See, we have 1, Amit, Priya, Sneha, these are the common ones. We have Rahul and Karan, they were not available in the orders data set. Then we have one order ID 105 which had no name, that is also coming. Now there comes another type, left semi join. This is something new type of join in which what we are doing, it is similar to the left join only, just the common records will be shown in the left semi join. In the output, the common records will be shown similar to the inner join, but columns of the left table will be available only, not the right table. Again I am saying, common or both table will be given at the output, but column of only left table will be given as the output. The only customer ID, customer name and city, no order related data is there. And only common is available, 1, 2 and 4, Amit, Priya and Sneha. Rahul and Karan are not there. Although it is a left join, so it can return the left Rahul and the Karan. But in the left semi join, only the common record will be returned, but no columns of the right table will be returned. Then similarly the left anti-join. In the left anti-join, what it will do, it will give the output of those records which are not common to the right. That's why it is anti. Okay. So Rahul and Karan will be output here. See. Now what we are doing here, we are specifying, just we have specified the customer ID earlier. Okay. On equal to customer ID. But like SQL you can specify custom data frame dot customer ID equal to second data frame dot customer ID. This you can do. This can be useful when we have the different names of the columns, common column. For example, here it is customer ID, here it is customer ID. Then we can utilize this step. Now, for example, in both the tables, there are one or two columns which are of the same name. So for example, this will be customer ID. Then we have to use the alias. Alias is the short name. For example, customer DF, we have shown the alias C dot join. Then we have used the orders DF dot alias join and the alias with the O. How we can specify the alias? Customer DF dot alias, then the alias word which we are using. Then we have to use the call COL. Then only we have to use the call here COL. COL call this the function, to that you can apply the alias with the column name is equal to order dot customer ID. Then we have used the dot select. This will give you the advantage that which column you want in the output. For example, you want the customer ID, customer name, city, order ID and amount. For example, you want only customer ID and order ID. Then you can specify c.customer ID, o.order ID. So it gives you the freedom to select the columns. It will also give you the freedom to use you can use especially like it also gives you the freedom to use the aliases, because due to the alias, if any column name is same in both the tables, then you can specify from which table you want to select the data. And second, you can select only desired columns, not all the columns. Okay. Or just syntax is same. Call is not defined. Just run this. Now similar, when column name is different, we have defined one data, payments data, and then we have created a data frame here. Then we have used the customers DF. C.customer ID equal to P.customer ID. We have defined the aliases. Customer for customer we have C, for payment we have P, and C.customer ID equal to P.customer ID, and we have selected those columns. So just we have changed here the column. Okay. Then we can use the join on the multiple columns. We have defined one new data frame here, that is location data. In the location data, what are all the column? Customer ID, city and region. Now we want to apply the join based on the two column, customer ID and city. Then similarly you can do that. If we want to use the alias, when the column name, joining column name are different, and we don't want all the columns in the output. That's why we are using the alias. So here you can see we have used the AND. There is the parenthesis, first joining condition and second joining condition. These are some examples. Same to that. Let's run this code. Location DF is not defined. Now running this code. So it will join the data frame based on these two columns, customer ID and city. Thank you.